Good morning, beautiful people. Today's special video on the boss. How to teach you boss supply. It's been laptop 50s mine FQ 1001 NE full review. I in lemon review chat stop. HM box. Okay, open it out. This one logo HM. Some big people also have this one. Okay, beautiful boss. This is first name. This one. This one. Kak. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Open this one. And I sign 1, 2, 3, supply. There is new people. First read. Also, this is Arabic. Also English. This one English stamp arm in the shirt. Okay, first read people. On our back, you know how mouse does mouse. This one very important for you. This one press. This one, yeah. This one up, down. This one, yeah, down, right, left. This one, zoom. This one, then super easy. Okay. What the inside charge? The in charge. Also have this is different. Y2, Y2, 3 is in Bahrain. This one Soviet. Right it power charging. Very small anti-key while was empty. Okay, how to open, very careful. This one. Okay. This one. Okay, open. Wow, it's been silver color. How many checking find sign power fan pocket stick tipper. Also have TV cassette, Type C, ID card, headphone, USB, USB power charge. Beautiful, very small, 50 miles each. Open very tall. Okay. Open. Wow. Beautiful laptop. This one beautiful. Take it out. Wow. Check it inside. Keyboard light. Keyboard light. Beautiful. First time. No camera. Very big. Wow. New mouse. New style. I'm checking IT. This is IT mouse. This is stop window. Beautiful. How to fix in charge. Goes. This is charging laptop. This is power working. Checking night. Look, right color. Upper full real mini charge nano T-type color. Upper hour dated full charge. Open laptop. How to start laptop. This is button. Wait. This is laptop. English image. Okay. This is HP pen. No, how open pen. Books inside laptop. Inside pocket laptop. This one charging something, put something, not something put here. This is water cup inside. Okay. Also I have the mouse, HP mouse, table as the 100 fast mouse, fast with supply and pen. I want to goodbye. Don't forget subscribe. Goodbye.